Hindi ka naman pipilitin kung ayaw mong ipabigay sa anak mo. Tatanungin ka naman nila kung binibigyan mo sila ng consent. Dami pang choices dito sa fridge. Okay yan.
The other choices. Do we want to choose this one?
It has fruits.
Oh,
Yeah.
what's that?
Oh, masasarap eh, no?
What's that?
Guys, ang cute nito. Snow globe siya. Cake siya sa loob. Morning guys! Saturday today. So, ito na yung last vaccine appointment ni Kian. Kung napanood nyo dun sa isang vlog ko is yung appointment ni Kian sa vaccine is tatlo to. Yung Hep B vaccine. Hindi kasi tinanggap yung Twinrix Hep A plus B niya kasi nabigay siya before 1 year old. Pero, nasa sayo naman as a parent kung magbibigay ka ng consent. Hindi ka naman pipilitin kung ayaw mong ipabigay sa anak mo. Tatanungin ka naman nila kung binibigyan mo sila ng consent. So, 3 doses yon. And today yung last. Yung isa, ay yung pangalawa is a month after nung first. And then itong pangatlo is 3 months nga ba? July ata, August, September, October, November, December. Baka 6 months, baka nung June. So, 6 months after. So, ayun. Medyo anxious si Kian. Kasi, alam nyo naman, mga bata, takot sa needles. So, mula kahapon, bago siya matulog, hanggang ngayon kagising, I'm afraid daw. Sabi ko naman andito naman si Mami. So, 9 o'clock yung appointment namin.
Oh no,
It's okay. Mommy will be there, ha?
it's almost 9 o'clock.
I know. Kaya lang sumakit pa yung tiyan ko. Di ako agad nakapag-prepare. Kaya medyo late kaming konti. Weather pala guys, +4. Tsaka na kung nakikita nyo, nagtunaw na yung mga snow. O, diba? Kita ba dyan? Yeah. Yan sa mga hills. Tsaka sa mga sides. Nagtunaw na. Sobrang saya lang. So, since Tuesday ba? Parang Tuesday. Hanggang this weekend. Ganda ng weather. Napagbigyan tayo. So kahit nauna nag-snow dito, natunaw naman na kasi nag-mild yung weather. Naging plus the last couple days. Hindi ko alam kung kailan lalamig ulit, pero enjoy na natin tong weekend na to na tunaw yung snow.
Why? Why?
Because it's just +4 anak outside oh. Tinatamad pa nga ako, nagising kami sa alarm. Hindi ako makatulog gawa nung nainom naming milk tea kagabi. Kasi pumunta kami sa Cross Iron. Bangag pa. Ayan, so dito kami papunta sa Thornhill para sa vaccine ni Kian. Ayun.
Did you get your kids vaccine?
Yeah. As far as I know, last naman na to. 6 years old na si Kian. Siya nga yung pinakamalaki doon. Sa mga bata doon. Usually mga babies, diba? Hanggang 1 to 2. Pero okay na yun para well protected din siya.
Oh no, it's just 2 minutes left
Until our appointment. I'm just gonna let them know na
so that
Mommy has tummy ache.
we'll still stay at home.
So that will they'll get us in. Buti malapit lang to sa amin. Halos mga 15 minutes lang. Nandito na kami. Kian, hi! Ngayon, natatakot na yung baby ko. Okay lang. You're brave, right? Yeah, you're brave. Dito siya. Thornhill Community Center. Papunta na kami. Ayun guys, so kakatapos lang namin dito. Mag-aantay pa ng... Oh, 1 second. So, need pang magstay dito ng 15 minutes bago umalis kasi titignan kung may reaction yung bata. Alis na rin kami soon after. Buti pala pinaalala sa akin, tinanong kung gusto ko na rin ng flu shot kay Kian. Kaya kinuha ko na rin kasi total andito na kami. So nakadalawa siya. 1 on each arm. Kawawa naman. Pero binigyan siya ng sticker. Tsaka band-aids. You didn't close your eyes? Were you brave? Yeah. Very brave. So proud of you.
Hi guys, my vaccine is done.
Ito, palabas na din kami. Tapos na yung 15 minutes. Okay naman si Kian, walang reaction. So, pwede nang umalis. Ganun lang siya kabilis. Dumadami na rin yung tao. Yung 9 kasi sobrang aga pa kanina. It does. Dito rin yung library ni Kian. Nung summertime, dito kami nang hihiram. Magkatabi sila eh. Isang public library, isang community center. Ganda nga ng weather, no? Pero mas maigi pa rin na balot, just in case, kung gloomy. Pag gloomy kasi, ang lamig. How did you feel? Are you brave?
Yeah,
Good job. How many shots did you get?
17.
No, I mean today.
17.
Two today.
No,
Diba?
no,
Left on the right.
add 2.
Add 2. Yeah. But how many today?
I got 2.
Flu and Hep B vaccine. Good job, Kian. Dito kami sa Paris Baguette. Oh,
Look at this.
it's a jumbo twisted donut. Oh, which one do you want?
What?
Which one do you want?
Look, it's humongous.
It's humongous.
Look, that one's humongous. Look over there.
Yeah, I know. Tara. Ito yung favorite ko, oh. Coffee bun. Coffee roll dito sa atin, eh. Ayun si Momsy.
Yes, it is. Look.
Oh, what's your skin?
This one. Look over there. There's chocolate inside.
There is. Oh, what do you want?
See?
You choose. There's donuts there too. Dito, Kian.
Look, oh no, it's the
May mga bago, oh.
Look, it's contained alcohol.
Yeah. Kian, what do you want? Hmm? Which one?
Look at this.
Sasarap, oh. Ayan, may mochi donut din.
Let me see.
Which one do you want? Don't touch, ha? If you're not getting it. Oh, which one do you want? Dami. Fully stock pa sila. Pero pag pupunta ka dito ng late, 5 or 6, wala na, guys. Hindi, ipapiliin ko lang si Kian. Dami pang choices dito sa fridge. No, Kian?
Now my choices. Do you want to choose this one? It's yummy.
It has fruits.
Look, it's mixed up.
Yeah.
What's that?
Oh, masasarap eh, no?
What's that, the orange thing?
It's kiwi.
No, the orange.
Kiwi nga. Oh, the orange is mandarin. Green pala yun. It's mandarin.
The 5 and up. 5
Ngayon,
and
no?
up.
Yeah. Daming cake. Mukhang masasarap. Ito pa. Dito namin binilan ng cake yan nung nag-birthday siya. Okay na ako, mams. Matamis. Okay na ako.
Look at there.
So
Look over there.
cute. Ah, may green tea Oreo cake.
Mommy, Look, it
Masarap
says
cake
it's
dito,
a-
hindi
it's a
katamisan.
cup.
It's a cup, right? It's like coffee
Look
cup.
at that.
Guys, ang cute nito. Snow globe siya. Cake siya sa loob. That's so cute.
I wanna see it. Oh,
Ayun. Done na rin. Mabilis lang naman kasi talaga.
I was brave.
Good job.
Mommy, I've got 17 of them, right?
Yep. Dami. But, ayun, nakadalawa siya ngayon. Biglaan lang yung second, kaya hindi niya alam na may pangalawa.
Mommy,
Yes.
mommy, I added 2.
Yeah, you added one. It's supposedly just one today, but we added one.
We added 2. One.
Oh, yeah. Ayun,
Mommy,
biglaan
why are
man
you
eh.
making mistakes to me.
Because I'm just counting the one that we had today, anak ko. Just today, because...
Mommy, I've got 17 vaccines.
Yeah,
right?
around that. Yeah, not too sure, but around that, anak ko. It's been a while. Tinatanong kasi niya ilang vaccine na siya since baby siya. Di ko na, I lost track.
I think I got 11.
Pero yun, dalawa lang siya today. Ayun, salamat sa pagsama sa araw namin today. At saka nga pala guys, sa 811 nagpapabook ng appointment niyan ng sa vaccinations. 811 din, o diba? Pati nung nagka-health emergency ako, 811 din. Ayun, sobrang gloomy naman na ngayon. Pero ang ganda ng weather.
Are scared of shots?
Are your kids?
Are your kids scared of shots?
Scared din sila.
But I'm the bravest in the world.
Wow! Salamat kayo sa pagsama sa araw namin today. We'll see you on our next one. Bye!